Hi friends, today I am going to unbox Butterfly Rapid Mixer Grinder. We can see what is there inside. We can remove this. Flipkart, I bought from Flipkart. Their packaging is very nice. You can see that. I'm gonna remove this. I'm going to cut this. We can see what is there inside. I'm going to take it out. This is the instruction. Another box. We can take the mixer out. This is Butterfly Rapid 4 jar mixer grinder. It comes with 4 jars and 1 juicer. We can see that by removing this box, this is juicer jar. We can take it out. This is a cap of the juicer jar. We can take the another jar out. This is medium sized jar. Four jars are available. This also comes with this. You can see the red colored one. See, these are the jars and the mixer. This is small jar for grinding everyday use. See the juicer. It is big size one. Pretty nice. Quality also nice. I bought this from Flipkart for the price 2499. See, the butterfly logo is there in front of the mixer. This is very powerful mixer grinder. Comes with 750 watts motor. So for your everyday use it's very nice. I think the build quality also good only. You can go for it. If your budget is low, you can go for it. If your budget is around 3000, then this is the good selection. You can buy this one. I like the jar very well. For we can make the juices very nicely. If you have any doubt about this mixer, please do comment below. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching.